Let's talk about DraftKings. Last night, I posted in my Discord community that I thought we were going to see a potential drop here, and I entered some puts this morning. I said, finally, we're looking weaker, and we're starting to find a 1 hour top. Big liquidity level at 39.20. If we break out over that, I'll be looking for another 10% move to the upside, which is obviously something I don't want here because I am betting the stock was going to go down. I said I'm going to enter December 15th at the money puts, which is a bearish position. I said I'm running a stop loss and a break even over that liquidity level around 39.44. Take profit will be down at $37. And this is how that setup was. We can see that normally when we break this change of character, there's a very high chance that we'll move down to our support level. So look what happens here. We end up seeing the market open this morning, and I decide to myself right here as we open that I'm going to go short at 38.45. This is a 1 hour chart, meaning that each one of these candles represents an hour. So I enter, DraftKings runs for a little bit, and then finally we get this first sell-off. My target level is going to be down here at $37.20. Normally it would be down at a lower low at $36.78, but really down at $37.18 is what I'm looking for because that's where we have this liquidity zone, meaning that there's a lot of buyers sitting down at that area, and the chances of us doing what's called a liquidity grab, meaning breaking through support but then quickly buying it back up, that means that that is the target that I'm going to be closing out my bearish or short position on. So we can see from here that we end up taking 2 hours in a row. We end up dropping down to 37.45. And this is actually where I went through and closed out my position. I posted this with the team. We ended up making about a 50% return on our puts, which is phenomenal. It's about $1,000. And if you're part of the academy, congratulations if you took that trade with us. And if you do want to get access to all of our trades, check out the link down below to get access to all of my trades as a private academy member. So from here, we saw this continued sell-off. I got out too soon, went right through the liquidity area, pulled all the way down, hit the target just as we expected, and then, like we talked about before, the liquidity grab happened. We've pulled all the way back up into this liquidity zone, and it's looking like we'll probably see DraftKings bounce tomorrow and probably continue to run up to 37.60 or 37.80. But what I'm going to be looking for here is the subsequent short even further, because the 4 hour is looking like we should see a drop down to 36.26. But we all know that the market doesn't just crater most of the time. So what I'm expecting here is this bounce back up to what's called our golden Fibonacci level, and I'll be looking to go short at 38.20 and take profits down at 35.80. I hope this video helps, guys. Check out our Discord community, become a private academy member. Like I said, you'll get access to all my trades, all my trading bots, all of our unusual options activity, live streams, and much, much more. Thanks for all the support. I'll see you next time.